Guys, take a look at this video. This channel is pulling in millions of views on every videos and earning $62,000 just from ad revenue alone. What's their secret? AI-powered creativity. They're posting hilarious, chaotic, and completely unexpected stories about world leaders and celebrities. This story's so funny and unpredictable that they're going viral across the platform. In this video, I'm going to break it all down step by step how to create these kinds of viral videos from scratch. We'll start with setting up your YouTube channel the right way, then dive into creating these AI-generated videos. And I'll even show you how to design eye-catching thumbnails, all using completely free AI tools. Trust me, you don't want to skip a single step because every detail matters when you're aiming for viral success. Now let's get started. I've put in the work and done the research to create a detailed Google Doc that outlines every single step covered in this video, from setting up your channel to crafting your videos like a pro. You can find the link to the Google Doc in the description below. Please like the video to help the algorithm share this video with more people who might benefit from it. The first step in our journey is setting up your YouTube channel. Start by heading over to the Google Doc and copy the channel name prompt. Next, open ChatGPT, paste the prompt, and hit enter. ChatGPT will generate a variety of creative channel name options. Browse through them and select the one that resonates with your vision. Once you've chosen a name, go to the YouTube channel creation interface, paste the name into the name field, and save it. Now it's time to design a standout channel logo. Open your browser, search for ideogram.ai, and create an account. Once logged in, click on the creation icon to access the design interface. Adjust the aspect ratio to 1:1 for a perfectly square logo. Next, return to the Google Doc and copy the channel logo prompt. Paste it into the prompt box on Ideogram and click Generate. In moments, Ideogram will present you with a selection of stunning logo designs. Browse through the options, pick your favorite, and download it. Return to the YouTube channel creation interface and upload your newly designed logo. Now let's create our channel banner. Head back to the Google Doc and copy the channel banner prompt. Return to Ideogram and paste the prompt into the text box, then click Generate. In just a few moments, Ideogram will create a range of stunning banner designs tailored to your prompt. Take your time to review the options. Choose the one that best fits your channel's theme and download it to your device. Head back to the YouTube channel creation interface and upload your new banner. Now it's time to craft your channel description. Return to the Google Doc and copy the channel description prompt. Open ChatGPT, paste the prompt, and hit enter. ChatGPT will generate an engaging and personalized description for your channel. Copy the text and return to the YouTube interface. Paste the description into the About section of your channel and save it. And just like that, your YouTube channel is complete and ready to go. The next step is video creation. Before we get into creating the actual video, we need to come up with videos ideas. Head over to the Google Doc and locate the video creation section. Here you'll find the video ideas prompt. Copy this prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. Then hit enter and ChatGPT will generate a list of creative niche-specific video ideas tailored to the type of content you want to produce. Take your time to go through the ideas ChatGPT provides and choose the one you prefer. Once you've found the perfect idea, ask ChatGPT to write a detailed script for the video idea you've chosen. And within moments, ChatGPT will deliver a complete polished script with all the details you need. This process not only saves time, but also ensures you're generating content ideas and scripts that are aligned with your niche and audience preferences. Next, we generate our images. And for this, we'll be using Ideogram. Open Ideogram and click on the plus icon to access the creation interface. Here, you'll need to set the aspect ratio to 16:9, the perfect dimensions for YouTube videos. To get the prompts we'll use to generate our images, go back to the Google Doc and locate the image prompt section. Copy the prompt provided, then head over to ChatGPT and paste it into the text box. Then hit enter and ChatGPT will generate highly detailed prompts for each scene in your video script. These prompts are carefully designed to reflect the characters and environment of your story, ensuring your images are not only visually stunning, but also perfectly aligned with your narrative. Now copy the first prompt from ChatGPT and return to ideogram.ai. Paste the prompt into the text box, then click Generate. Sit back and watch as Ideogram uses the details in your prompt to create stunning customized visuals. Once the images have been generated, take some time to review them. Look closely at the options provided and choose the best image, then download it to your device. Now do this same process to generate the rest of your images. Now it's time to transform your static images into videos. For this, we'll be using Halo AI. Open your browser and search for haloai.video. If you don't already have an account, create one. Once logged in, click on the creation icon and select the image to video option. Now upload the first image you want to convert into a video. To generate the animation prompts, head over to the Google Doc and locate the image to video prompt section. Copy the prompt provided, then paste it into ChatGPT and hit enter. ChatGPT will generate highly detailed prompts that you can use to animate all your images with precision and creativity. Now copy the first prompt from ChatGPT, return to Halo AI and paste it into the prompt box, then click Generate and let Halo AI begin the transformation process. This might take a little time, so be patient. The results will be worth it. Once the video is generated, take a close look at the animation. If it doesn't quite meet your expectations, don't worry. Simply tweak the prompt or regenerate it until you're happy with the result. Then download the video to your device. Now repeat this same process to animate the rest of your images. Now let's move on to creating the perfect background music for our video. Instead of spending hours searching for free non-copyrighted tracks, we'll create our very own custom music using AI. For this, we'll be using Suno. Open your browser and search for suno.com. If you don't already have an account, sign up, it's quick. Once logged in, click on the creation icon to access the music-making interface. To get started, we need lyrics for our track. Head over to the Google Doc and locate the music creation prompt section. Copy the prompt, then paste it into ChatGPT and hit enter. Then ChatGPT will generate the perfect lyrics for your custom music. Once the lyrics are ready, copy them and return to Suno. Paste the lyrics into the designated lyrics box. Now for the music style. Ask ChatGPT to give you the style of the music. Copy the suggested style, head back to Suno, and paste it into the style box. Finally, give your track a title and click Create. Suno will get to work using AI to craft a unique track based on the lyrics and style you provided. In just a few moments, you'll have 2 custom music ready. Now let's go ahead and listen to both of them. If you're happy with the track, download the one you prefer to your device. Now it's time to bring everything together and finalize our video with editing. For this, we'll be using CapCut. Open CapCut, click on New Project and import all the videos you've generated. Once everything is loaded, set the aspect ratio based on the platform you plan to upload your video to. If any of your clips have visible logos, click on the clip and stretch it until the logos are no longer visible. Repeat this process for all your clips to ensure they look seamless and professional. Now review your clips carefully. Trim any sections that didn't animate well. If you find any clips that play too quickly, reduce their speed to maintain a consistent and engaging pace. Once your visuals are perfected, import the music we created using Suno and sync it with your video. Finally, preview the entire video to ensure everything is well edited. If you're satisfied with the editing, click on the export, increase the video resolution to 4K, and download the video to your device. Let's take a moment to watch the final result. Now that our video creation is complete, the final step is to create thumbnail. For this, we'll be using Canva. Open Canva and create an account. Once you're logged in, click on YouTube thumbnail in the options above. You'll be directed to the editing interface. Import the image you want to use for your thumbnail. Once uploaded, drag the image onto the canvas and stretch it to fit the frame perfectly. Next, click on the Adjust option and scroll to the saturation. Increase the saturation slightly to make the colors pop. Now click on Text and type the title of your video. Keep it short, bold, and intriguing. Edit the text by changing the font, and position the text strategically where it doesn't obscure important parts of your image. You can also adjust the text color or add shadow to your text to make it even more eye-catching. Once you're happy with the design, click Download and save your thumbnail to your device. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your questions in the comments.